Hey guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video we are going to talk about why do you need SEMrush. So if you have a website where you are posting content and you're looking to get traffic to your site, you need SEMrush. What SEMrush can do for you? SEMrush is a very powerful tool that helps you with finding the best keywords that you should be writing your content on. You can use SEMrush to find out the keyword difficulty score and also what volume people are looking for that particular keyword. And if you are starting out, my recommendation would be to go after the keywords between the keyword difficulty of 0 and 30. Another powerful thing that you can do is you can analyze your site's performance. You can figure out the domain authority of your site, what are the keywords you are ranking for, what positions those keywords are currently ranked, and also you can do your site audit. So through the site audit functionality, you can find, is there any issues with your website? Is the website being crawlable? Do you have any loading issues or images are taking long time to load? Is your website mobile friendly? Do you have the certification on your site installed? So all of these things you can do using your site audit feature in SEMrush. The next powerful thing that you can do is you can analyze your competition. If you want to see who all the competitors are and what kind of keywords they are ranking for, and there is a keyword gap between you and your competitors, you can go after those keywords and try to rank for those keywords. SEMrush also gives you a content idea. So if you give it particular topic to SEMrush, SEMrush is going to tell you what all different content related to that particular topic you can cover. So it'll give you a lot of content ideas to write about. The next important feature of SEMrush is its create writer and SEO friendly templates. In SEMrush, you have SEO content template, which will give you an idea on what all competitors are going for the same keyword and what kind of semantic keywords they are using in their post. And also there is a writing assistant provided by SEMrush which you can use to figure out how good your SEO score of your post is. More related keywords you are using, and if you're using proper headings, meta description, links, etc., the SEO score of your post is going to improve, and you can check that score within SEMrush. SEMrush also helps you to track your past and current rankings. So if you are writing content on a regular basis and you want to see what kind of keywords you are ranking for, what positions you are ranking for, then you can track your past and current rankings also using SEMrush. Another important thing is you can analyze your competitors' competition. Means if you want to see what they are doing and how can you be better than them, you can do that. You can also look at what advertisement strategies they are following, what kind of display ads they are using. You can see that as well. You can ask about the backlinks, what those backlinks are. All of that you can do using SEMrush. The other important thing is the link building strategy. SEMrush will give you a place to check out the backlinks opportunities. If you list down your competitor's website and your website, and if you want to see what are the backlinks gap or the backlink opportunities that your competitors has and you do not, that way you can reach out to those websites and also can get the same backlink. It'll also tell you if there is any broken links that are available, and which gives you the opportunity to reach out to those websites and tell them to replace broken content with your website's content. So through SEMrush, you can do all of this. The next very powerful thing that SEMrush does is, as I mentioned, it gives you the advertising opportunities. You can take a look at what kind of ads are running by your competition, what kind of keyword strategies they are using, what display ads they are writing about, which time of the year they are going and doing their ads placement. All of this you can do it using SEMrush. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any more videos from the channel. We will be posting a lot of great content on this channel. Be healthy and be wealthy.